Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I mixed abroad from Kuwait, 2 years as an housemaid, all around housemaid, uh, since 2006 and 2008. Then when I finished my contract, I would go to Philippines. After Kuwait, I stopped working in abroad 5 years. Then I came back abroad in Dubai, Abu Dhabi as currency work now, and I'm here now.
Please tell me about your work experience as a housemaid nanny in Kuwait.
As a housemaid in Kuwait, uh, cleaning the house, ironing. Sometimes I'm cooking because my madam's she's going out, and then take care of baby.
What about on your
Uh,
current job? What are your duties
the
and
same,
responsibilities?
the same, cleaning, ironing, then take care of the baby.
What was the nationality of your employer in Kuwait?
It is Kuwaiti.
How many members in the family?
It is three, one son only.
How old?
When I'm there, he is 6 months old.
Okay, what about on your current job? How many
Uh,
members in the family?
there are five.
And how old are the children?
The children, he is 14 years old, and the second son is 12, and the third is 4 years old as of now.
Why did you decide not to continue to work on your current job?
Because I need some more salary and just 1 day off.
What is your salary expectation?
1,500.
What is your
Mm,
favorite task between cooking, cleaning, and babysitting?
babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
Uh, I don't know the name of the food, but I can cook because my madam she didn't tell me about the name of the food. But when she telling me cook like this, I will know how to cook.
So what type of
But my
food is that?
mm, I know how to do lasagna, about pasta. Uh, I don't know the others, but I know how to cook.
Okay. In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Yeah, every time he is moody, crying, and he don't want to play.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
I just asking him why you are crying, and I will try to let him start his crying.
What is the first thing that you will do if the child got sick?
Mm, if he has a fever, just I take a temperature. Then, if he has a fever, I will give him first aid medication, medicine for fever.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is just singing, uh, playing with the kids.
Okay. How long do
Mm.
you want to work in UAE?
Mm, as of now, I plan 5 years before I going back home.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Mm, yes, I have. Just I'm a hard worker person. Just I want respect and privacy.
Okay, thank you so much for your time and nice talking to you.